Look good at the person standing or sitting next to you in the street right now. You missed the show, please. Look, all the ugly people are tight. Look, they put their money back in their pocket. It's supposed to have shit now. Look, you can pick them up. Look, they laugh yet. In God's book, no one is out.
I was about to go behind him and like...
I love you. People ask me, why do I make jokes about ugly people? You know why? Do I make jokes about ugly people? Because ugly people, they make jokes about my name. Look. Look at that shit. Look what my mother did to me. Look what my mother did to me. And told me she loved me. Yeah, right, bitch. That bitch don't love me. Look what the fuck she did to me. You got a forehead? You got a forehead? I got an egg, motherfucker. What's a forehead? What's a forehead? You got a forehead? That bitch gave me an 8. One more time, watch my mouth, look. All y'all got foreheads? I got 8. Motherfucker, how big that shit is, look. I'm jealous, look. That motherfuckers are here all over here. Shit. I used to go use the bathroom, right? And I used to wash my face like this, look. Look. In the sink. I used to use a little bit of water. Now, I use a gallon of fucking water. I used to wash my face like this. Look. Now, that motherfucker's face. Now I gotta wash my face like this, look. And she said she loved me. I fucked my head up like that. And she loved me. I don't want to get up and shake me. And all you motherfuckers, yo, all you guys that go to the gym, y'all think y'all got something on me? Yo, y'all got a 6-pack. You got a 6-pack. I got something better than a 6-pack. Motherfucker, a 6-pack swap. Thick. I got a motherfucking barrel, nigga. Fuck out of here. I got a motherfucking barrel.
You got a keg, right?
Fuck a 6-pack, nigga. I got a barrel. Now, if y'all think I was funny, can I get a round of applause from somebody, please?
Oh, there we go.
That is nice. Whenever you give me an applause, you can make me feel confident in myself. I want to go to comedy club. You know what I'm saying? Now, can I get my motherfucking money now? Nobody laugh at this thing. I don't fucking know.
Give me $1.